Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. An online class. Date 21/9/2020. How are you, student? I hope you are well. I am also fine. I introduce. I am Abdul Rashid, lecturer in English. I get Ideal DP College, Donbari, Tangal. Thanks for Almighty of Allah. Topics. Today these topics I am going to transformation of sentence, superlative to positive. Subject is English second paper. Hello learners. Start your khata. Here this structure, superlative to positive. First structure, more than plus after superlative superlative পরের অংশ plus bar plus as oblique so plus superlative into positive form, superlative into superlative to positive, superlative to positive from plus again as plus subject no other plus superlative পরের অংশ plus আর plus as oblique so plus superlative to positive from plus as plus subject. Example learners, example the learners. Coxbazar is the longest Coxbazar is the longest sea base. Coxbazar is the longest sea base Coxbazar is the longest sea base in the country. Coxbazar is the longest sea base in the country. Positive. So positive. And here this sentence superlative. Add this sentence superlative. Superlative. First, correct sentence, positive. No. No other. No other sea bass. Sea bass in the country. In the country, verb is so oblique as is so long. L-O-N-G, long. Long. Again as subject. Coxbazar. Coxbazar. No other sea bass in the country is as long as Coxbazar. Positive degree. Positive degree. Positive degree. Positive degree. So, verb again as subject. Next example, the learners it is the most important element. It is the most important elements of all living beings. Of all living beings. It is the most important element of all living beings. It's a superlative degree and change the positive degree. Positive degree. Positive degree. No other element. No other element of all living being is as important as subject it. No other element of all living beings is as important as it. It's a correct sentence and positive sentence. Thanks, students. Next role. At this sentence, one of the structure first, very few structure, very few plus after superlative degree, superlative এর পরের অংশ plus plural verb. Plural verb plus as oblique so. As oblique so plus since superlative into positive. Superlative to positive. Positive degree. Positive from. Plus again as plus subject. Plus subject. Very few plus superlative পরের অংশ plus plural verb plus as oblique so plus superlative to positive from plus as plus subject plus as plus subject. Example, Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful building Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful building in the world. Positive. But this sentence is superlative and change the positive. It's a possible and most important sentence. Correct sentence? Very few. Superlative degree. Most beautiful. Superlative degree. After buildings in the world. Very few buildings in the world are as beautiful as the Taj Mahal. Very few buildings in the world are as beautiful as the Taj Mahal. Beautiful, positive. And most beautiful, superlative. Most beautiful, superlative degree. And beautiful, positive degree. Verb, plural. As next role, the students. Positive to comparative. Positive, change the comparative. Positive to comparative. Structure, subject plus verb plus subject plus verb plus positive to comparative from plus than any other plus than any other plus পজিটিভের পরের অংশ পজিটিভ এর পরের অংশ পজিটিভের পরের অংশ নেক্সট এক্সাম্পল no other boy in this class is as good as he. This is a positive sentence and change to comparative. Change to comparative. Subject he subject তাহলে subject he verb is he is good positive and change better comparative. He is better than any other than any other boy in the class. Boy in this class. Boy in this class. He is better than any other boy in this class. So super comparative degree. Next role. Superlative to comparative. Superlative to comparative. Next, superlative to comparative. Superlative to comparative. At present, cricket is the most popular. Cricket is the most popular game in our country. It's a positive superlative degree comparative. At present, cricket is the most popular game in our country. It's a superlative degree and change the comparative degree and correct sentence. At present. At present, cricket cricket is more popular. More cricket is more popular than any other. Than any other game. Than any other game in our country. Comparative degree. At present, cricket is more popular than any other game in our country. It's a correct sentence. Thank you very much, all the students. See you again. Best good luck. And wait for next class. Khudafez.